Module 9. Forensic Analysis of File Systems and Data Structures. Welcome to this tutorial on forensic analysis of file systems and data structures. In digital forensics, understanding the file systems and data structures employed by operating systems is crucial for effective analysis and investigation. In this video, we will explore the process of forensic analysis, including file system examination, data structure analysis, and the extraction of valuable evidence. Let's begin by discussing the examination of file systems. File system examination involves analyzing the structure, organization, and metadata of a file system. This examination provides insights into how files and directories are stored, the allocation of disk space, and the timestamps associated with file creation, modification, and access. During file system analysis, forensic experts explore various file system attributes, such as file names, file sizes, file permissions, and file extensions. This examination helps in identifying relevant files, reconstructing file paths, and understanding the overall file system layout. Next, let's explore the analysis of data structures. Data structure analysis involves examining the internal organization and layout of files, such as documents, databases, and system files. By understanding the specific data structures employed by various file formats, investigators can extract valuable information and uncover evidence within these files. For example, analyzing the structure of a database file can reveal tables, fields, and relationships, aiding in the reconstruction of data and identification of relevant records. Lastly, let's discuss the extraction of valuable evidence from file systems and data structures. Extracting evidence involves identifying and collecting relevant data from the file systems and data structures under investigation. This can include recovering deleted files, identifying hidden files or directories, and reconstructing fragmented files. Forensic tools and techniques, such as file carving, metadata analysis, and keyword searching, play a crucial role in the extraction process. These tools help identify and extract valuable evidence, even from damaged or intentionally hidden areas of the file system. Forensic analysis of file systems and data structures is a vital component of digital investigations. This tutorial has provided an overview of file system examination, data structure analysis, and evidence extraction. In the next tutorial, we will explore advanced techniques used in the analysis of volatile memory in digital forensics. Thank you for watching. Click on the link below to test your understanding of this module.